Adding a battery widget to your iPhone's lock screen is super helpful for keeping an eye on your battery percentage, plus the battery levels of your connected devices like AirPods or Apple Watch. It's a quick and easy way to see everything at a glance. Let me show you how to set it up in just a few simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, until you find Wallpaper and tap on it. After that, tap on the lock screen wallpaper on the left side. Now, tap Add to start customizing your lock screen. Next, select Add Widgets under the clock area where you would like to add the battery widget. In the Widgets menu, scroll down until you find Batteries. Then tap on the battery widget to add it to your lock screen. You'll see several options for how to display your battery information. After that, select the widget style that works best for you. Or you can even add both widgets from this menu if you want to show more detailed info. Once you follow these steps, you'll have a quick and easy access to your battery status right on your lock screen. Pretty cool, right? Let me know if this video helped you, and if you have any more questions about customizing your lock screen widgets, I'd love to hear how it goes.